Hey everybody, this is Augusto Quintanilla. I'm the founder and CEO of Host SBC. This is a quick demo of our RTC-ONE platform. So let me log in so you guys can see this. All right, so here we have the main dashboard. On the main dashboard, we currently have 6 reports that are available, but these can all be customized based on your needs. So far, based on what all of our customers have asked us, this is what we've put on the dashboard. As I mentioned, we can create many more. Initially, what we have here is the active calls, total calls, inbound and outbound. Outbound calls, since we support 911 in the US on our platform, you are able to see the 911, the international toll-free in US and Canada. We have the assigned DID numbers on the account. We have today's SMS, both inbound and outbound. Subscription plans, if you create those for unlimited calling, SMS, certain destinations as well, as you see 2,000 minutes to Mexico, and the account balance. So when a customer comes in, initially what they need to do is they need to configure their trunk, whether it's a static or a dynamic, and it's as simple as putting the trunk name, IP address, prefix if you're expecting one from them, and the number of channels, which this is fixed. This they don't get to mess with. Dynamic trunk, really easy. It's actually much easier. The trunk name and the password, and then the system will obviously register the device. Now, once they've configured the trunk, they come in and they buy a DID. So you get to choose, for example, let's say US, you're going to choose Florida, you're going to choose Miami, where I'm at. You're going to see the DID number and the monthly charge for that DID. Let's say you pick this 786. Since you've already configured the trunk, let's say PBX at home, boom, you purchase the DID. That's it. So edit DID. Once you have certain stock of DIDs, you'll see the number here. You'll see the country they belong to, the city, where it's being forwarded to. And then from here, you can release the DID back into inventory, or you can edit. Obviously, you edit the forward to destination. So that's an option that's also available on RTC-ONE. SMS messaging, you select the DID number that you currently have. You put in the telephone number of where you're sending the message to, type your message out, boom, send it. That's all it takes. So you can send SMS messages directly here from RTC-ONE. Subscription plans, these are the plans that you currently offer. Unlimited calls to the US, $9.99, 1,000 messages in and out for $15, 2,000 minutes to Mexico. Whatever plans you want to create, they are on the platform, and the customer basically comes here and they choose to add it to their plan or delete it from their plan. So that's subscription. Web phone is a web RTC based phone that works directly on the platform. So if you want to dial a number directly from here, you basically type in the number and hit dial and it goes out. If you want to reach customer service, we also created a button where it reaches your support in case they need anything. So that's available. And then you have your reports. You have your active calls, which obviously this is a demo system, so these calls are not active, but you have your ANI, you have your DNIS, in other words, originating number, terminating number, the direction, the duration, and the status of it. Now, all these options up here, all these menu options can be edited, so this is not an issue. Now you have the call reports, which you're able to see the last 5 minutes, last hour, today, custom range if you want to look at, and then you have obviously all the different fields based on the call report that you generated. Billing, this is where the customer puts their credit card information. They can come in here, add a credit card. As you can see, all the basic information is there. They get to choose one default credit card. RTC-ONE directly interacts with your merchant account, with your bank merchant account. So anytime the customer makes a payment from the system, the money goes straight into your bank account. You'll see here for making a payment, you get to pick what account you want. Come over here, process the payment, done. Payment is automatically charged, and then you have your transactions. The transaction date when the payment was made, the amount, and the transaction number, which is returned back by the credit card. Now, we also have an auto recharge option, which the customer can choose to turn it on or off. When the balance is below a certain amount, the system will automatically recharge them to what they set it. So this is on the billing side. Let me show you really quick the rates. We just took a sample of, a few countries here, but basically the customer would see their destination, they would see what their voice rates are, and they would see what their SMS rates are if you offer both. If you're only offering voice, obviously this wouldn't be here. So that's billing. Notification. Customer, we can create as many notifications as you want us to, but we just left 3 basic ones here. So notify me when my balance is below 25. You can choose on or off. Notify me when a payment has posted to my account. Same thing, on or off. Or notify me when my account has been accessed. So you can see here the customer can choose to turn on or off as they please. And user profile, the customer can change their password. So that is it. This is RTC-ONE. As you saw, very simple to configure, can be completely customized based on your needs. And we have customers that are wholesale customers that are already using this platform to bring in retail customers, or to make it easier for them to eliminate the load that they have on their normal switch, which means they have to deal with their engineers, their NOC, and so forth. Customer can come in here and configure everything themselves. So thank you very much for watching the video. Anybody has any questions, please give me a call, 770-826-8737, or send me an email at augusto@hostsbc.com. Thank you very much.